Hello. So let me gist you what happened in court today. Like every other day, as a lawyer, I was in court. I had a matter in court. And as a lawyer, we are used to the court's rules. Hello. So let me gist you what happened in court today. I was in court. Like every other day, as a lawyer, I had a matter in court. And as I was waiting for my matter to be called up, for me as a lawyer, I'm used to the courtroom and its rules and regulations. But this video, I'm making it especially for litigants and some of you who may just be visiting the court as observers, as litigants, or maybe you are accompanying a friend of yours in court. Please, whenever you are going to the courtroom, in an open court, endeavor to mute your phone. If it does not have any muting possibility, please switch it off. So I was in court today waiting for my matter to be called up while the other matter was going on. A man in the courtroom, his phone rang. And the court, one of the things the courts do is, if your phone rings in the open court, it's either the court will seize the phone. It's a contempt. It's a contempt of the court. Is that the court will seize it or the court will ask you to leave the court? The court can even detain you in the courtroom until the court rises at the time that it will rise. It's a serious contempt. If you don't understand what I mean by contempt, it's an offense in the face of the court. So please, if you're going to court, maybe a friend of yours wants you to accompany, or you're a litigant, or you have matter, or you have any business to do in the open court, mute your phone. Put it on silence. And if you cannot put it on silence, please switch it off. So this man's phone rang. And he was struggling. And the court asked him to go out. So one of the persons inside the court, seeing what this man had passed through, seeing the experience of the man that his phone rang, trying now to switch off his phone. You know all these China phones now. As he now pressed his phone to switch it off, the phone now made a loud noise. All these phones that when they want to go off, they will shout. And the court seized this phone. So you can imagine when you are trying to be law abiding, you now committed a contempt in that process. So that's why even me as a lawyer, my phone is perpetually on silence. Ringing tones even irritates me these days because you don't know when you'll be in court and you forget to mute it. So mute your phones whenever you're in court. Thank you.